Yay!
Hi, I'm Poppy. Today let's find out words that start with the letter B. Note 24 different words with the letter B. This is how the alphabet B looks like in the uppercase. And let's have a look at our word list for the day. B for boy, boy. B for ball, ball. B for bag, bag. B for book, book. B for boat, boat. B for bat, bat. B for bee, bee. B for butterfly, butterfly. B for bear, bear. B for banana, banana. B for bread, bread. B for brinjal, brinjal. B for bird, bird. B for bamboo, bamboo. B for bottle, bottle. B for bucket, bucket. B for box, box. B for basket, basket. B for bicycle, bicycle. B for bus, bus. B for bell, bell. B for bulb, bulb. B for battery, battery. B for broom, broom. Yay! And that also brings us to the end of this lesson. For more fun videos, be sure to check out other videos on our channel. The links for those will be available in the description box below. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye for now. And if you like our videos, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut Poppy.